Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. It's a red button beneath me somewhere, and if you click on that you'll be subscribed. There's also a white bell next to that, and if you click on that you'll get an alert every time I upload new content. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That would make me very happy. Today's video is the first in a very short series. I have been subscribing to Birchbox for a long time. Probably for at least 4 years, maybe longer. It is a monthly subscription service that is $10 a month monthly, but you can buy more boxes in advance and get it for a discount, which is what I did. I did 12. It is just not good for me anymore. I feel like they're not really matching my profile. There's a program called ACEs, and I was in that last year, and one of the things that I was able to do was choose a curated box, like a different variety of curated boxes, choose a specific item, or say I don't need another black pencil eyeliner, things like that. That's no longer happening, and I think I have 4 more remaining. I tried to cancel it, but I have 4 more remaining in my subscription. So what you can do is they allow you to go on at a certain date and I think either choose to have one item or choose to have a curated box. And I'm not going to do that for the next couple of months because I just want to see what they're going to do with me doing no intervention. So this is the March box, which is interesting. Today is March 8th, which is early. And some of the other boxes that I get come quite a bit later than that. So, and also too, I will say that the benefits program is not terrible. I think you get $1 for every 10 points. Something like that. I forget what it is, but I'll put all the information in the description box down below. So the point system is good. If you like any of the things in the box, they have a lot of good products, so you can use those points towards purchasing things. It just hasn't been good for me for a while. So it comes inside of a box, and the box often is nice. I bet this is Rifle. They do a lot of work with Rifle paper. And then there's the box with the products inside, and usually this little card that tells you what all the things are. And finally spring, and yeah, we're energized and we're getting into spring. And here are the products, and they generally give you five products. Okay, so one of them is this, and I'll put up the prices if I can. One of them is this. It's clean. And there's even like a little piece of tape on it. Not that I guess I am being picky, but it's just, this should not count as something in the box, I don't think. This is something that you would get. Doesn't even have a squirt on it. This is a nice enough fragrance, but I don't know. I just feel like this is not a decent sample. And soap-like scent, burst of brightness with its combo of sweet lime, pink grapefruit, passion lily, and white musk. It says to spritz onto pulse points, which I can't because it doesn't have a spritzer. It's just this little guy. So there's that, and I don't know how much. If I can figure out prices, I will. Next is this. This is also super annoying. This is a MAC Cleanse Off Oil. So this is annoying because this is something that you can get if you're buying something from MAC. You can get things. This is one of the things that you can get, and it's annoying that this is one of the things that I'm getting this month. And it's just a small thing of Cleanse Off Oil, 0.2 mils, 6 mils, 0.2 ounces. Remove even the most stubborn makeup with this gentle botanical-based oil cleanser made with olive fruit, evening primrose, and jojoba seed. Massage onto dry skin, then rinse. So this is fine, but I mean, I have a lot of these just from buying things from MAC. Next is this mascara. Full size of this is $15. Ultimate Volume Nano Mascara. Don't let the size fool you. This mascara's mini brush is designed to reach even the stubbiest bottom lashes and inner corners for a full feathered look. This is from Marcel. I don't know if this is full size. Full size is $15, but I'll see if I can see what this size is and what the full size is. So that's that. I mean, I have a lot of. I'm gonna open it just to see how small this brush is. All right. It's unwrapped. Okay, this is maybe okay for bottom lashes. I'm not hating this right now. It's not the tiniest that I've seen, but I appreciate a small brush for bottom lashes. So this I don't hate. The next thing, and so you're supposed to be able to go in and edit your profile, and they're supposed to send you things based on your profile, which doesn't make any sense with this card because the card's very specific. So I'm not sure why I got this Brooklyn Bombshell Blowout Spray, which I'm sure is good for anybody else, except for me, who has straight hair like this and always wears it in a bob 100% of the time. So everything in my filter says that I have colored hair because I'm washing the gray out of my hair, and that it's straight, and that's fine, and that I naturally dry it, and that I'm mostly concerned about kind of oils for shininess and things, and not about volume or blowouts. So this will be going to a friend. Full size of this is $25. I've heard good things about it, but it's not appropriate for me. The star ingredient of this brand's line is sea buckthorn berry, which is intensely nourishing. The lightweight styler also volumizes, smooths, and protects you for a bouncy blowout. I don't need bouncy. All right, so that's the fourth thing. And the fifth thing is this. I don't even know what's happening here. Yeah, and this is made in China, which is always annoying. And this is Peak Beauty Nom Nom Natural Plumping Balm. And I'm gonna have to stick my finger into it. Okay, the packaging is cute. It's tiny, but I'm not gonna use this. I don't like sticking my fingers into things. I'll give this to a friend. The cute packaging is cute. It smells kind of a little minty, but I don't. So it says, coat your lips in this slightly pale, shiny rose tinted balm infused with ginger root, sesame oil, and lychee extract plus chili pepper. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. The ginger and the chili doesn't, and the lychee, it doesn't smell right. So I will give it to them for the packaging, and I am curious about the mascara. But everything else in here is just a giant fail for me. And none of the feedback that I leave, none of the things that I put in my profile change anything. So I think I am gonna leave feedback about the items in this box just to see if that makes a difference and just ride out. I think I'm just gonna ride out the next couple months and just take this as a crapshoot because it's money that I've already spent. But this is just a huge waste. Definitely not comparable to like the Ricky's Cult Crushes box, which is going to be coming a little bit later this month. But yeah, that's I think $11, and that's way more value. And that isn't even something that promises to be focusing on what I'm saying I like and don't like. So let me know if you have been buying Birchbox in the US and what your feelings are, or if there's Birchbox that you're buying outside of the US and if you've had similar experience and kind of how you feel about those boxes. And thank you so much for watching. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and I really appreciate the time that you took to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.